Can LLC members be employees? Yes, LLC members can sometimes be treated as employees, but it depends on how the LLC is taxed. In a standard LLC taxed as a partnership or sole proprietorship, members are considered self-employed, not employees. So they don't get W-2 wages. Instead, they take profit distributions and pay self-employment tax on their share of the income. However, if the LLC elects to be taxed as a corporation, s-corp, or c-corp, then members can be put on payroll as employees. In that case, they receive a salary with taxes withheld, and they may also take dividends or distributions on top of their wages. This setup can provide tax advantages and access to benefits like retirement plans or health insurance. The short answer is this: LLC members are not employees by default, but with the right tax election, they can be treated as employees and paid through payroll. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and choose the right tax structure so you know whether members should be paid as owners or employees. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.